Welcome to Dr. Carminati's YouTube channel, where we explore the profound questions of existence, blending science, philosophy, and the human spirit. And today, we dive into an extraordinary subject that arose from a comment from a person from Australia. The quantum code to happiness. Unlock your mind's cosmic potential. Buckle up, because we explore how the strange, beautiful world of quantum mechanics teaches you to live a fuller, more meaningful life. This journey isn't just theoretical, and it's a call to action, a challenge to rethink how you navigate your reality. Let's get started. Imagine a universe where particles dance in infinite possibilities, where your gaze shapes reality, and where connections transcend space and time. That's the quantum world, and it's not just for physicists in lab coats. Quantum mechanics holds secrets to happiness, to living with purpose and resilience. Today, I guide you through 7 quantum principles: superposition, the observer effect, entanglement, wave-particle duality, the uncertainty principle, quantum tunneling, and non-locality, and demonstrate how these principles can be related to the pursuit of joy. If you've never cracked open a physics book, don't worry. I make this clear, practical, and urgent. You leave this video with tools to transform your life. First, let's tackle superposition. In quantum mechanics, particles exist in multiple states simultaneously. A photon, for example, occupies every position until it is measured. Life mirrors this. You stand at a crossroads every day with countless paths before you: a new job, a bold conversation, a leap of faith. Too often, we paralyze ourselves chasing the perfect choice. Happiness lies in embracing multiple possibilities. Stop demanding certainty. You don't need to know the exact outcome to move forward. The quantum universe thrives on probability, and so must you. Try this. Tomorrow morning, sit for 5 minutes and imagine 3 ways your day unfolds positively. Picture connecting with a colleague, finishing a project, or savoring your coffee. Write these scenarios down. Imagining positive outcomes isn't wishful thinking. It trains your mind to see life as a field of potential, not a single track. Happiness grows when you stop narrowing your world to one right path. Now, let's explore the observer effect. In quantum physics, observing a particle alters its state. Your attention shapes reality. Consider this: your focus, where you point your mental lens, defines your experience. If you dwell on failures, regrets, or what's missing, you collapse your reality into misery. However, if you focus on gratitude, small victories, or love, you shift the fabric of your life toward joy. Here's a practice. Every night, write down 3 things that sparked joy that day: a stranger's smile, a warm meal, a moment of clarity. Practicing gratitude isn't fluffy self-help nonsense. It's a deliberate act of observation. You choose what to measure in your life, and what you measure grows. Science confirms this. Studies show gratitude rewires your brain, boosting serotonin and dopamine. You don't just feel happier, and you sculpt a happier reality. Next, consider entanglement. Quantum particles, once entangled, stay connected across vast distances. Change one, and the other responds instantly. You're entangled too, with friends, family, even strangers. Your happiness thrives on connection, in the invisible threads that bind you to others. Loneliness kills joy faster than almost anything. Harvard's 80-year study on happiness reveals strong relationships as the single most significant predictor of well-being. Act on this. Call someone you care about this week. share a story, listen deeply, or lend a hand without expecting a return. These actions, calling, sharing, and helping, ripple outward, strengthening your sense of belonging. You're not a solitary particle, and you're part of a cosmic web. Nurture those ties, and happiness follows. Now, let's grapple with wave-particle duality. Quantum objects act as both waves and particles, depending on observation. Life reflects this paradox. Happiness isn't a fixed point you reach. It flows like a wave through moments of joy and sorrow. Stop chasing permanent bliss. That's a trap. The human condition is complex and multifaceted. You feel pain, but pain doesn't negate joy. Embracing this duality builds resilience. When life throws a curveball, a job loss, a heartbreak, ask, what can this pain teach me? Write down one lesson, however small. A rejection might push you toward a better path. Grief might deepen your empathy. Seeing pain as part of the wave isn't about denying it. It's about surfing life's currents. Happiness emerges when you stop fighting the paradox. Then there's the uncertainty principle. Heisenberg showed you can't know everything at once. Pin down a particle's position and its momentum slips away. Life works similarly. You can't control every variable, your career, relationships, or future. Trying breeds anxiety. Happiness demands you let go. The present moment, not an imagined future, holds joy. Try this. When stress hits, pause for 10 deep breaths. Notice the air, the sounds around you, the weight of your body. This breathing exercise helps you stay grounded in the present. Mindfulness studies have shown that it lowers cortisol and enhances emotional regulation. You don't surrender control, and you choose to focus on what's real, here and now. What about quantum tunneling? Particles pass through seemingly impossible barriers. You face barriers too: fear, doubt, or external obstacles. The quantum mindset says you break through, often unexpectedly. You don't need to smash the wall. Find a way through a crack. Identify one barrier to your happiness today, such as a fear of starting a hobby. Break it down into small steps. Sign up for one class or watch one tutorial. Taking action, however small, creates momentum. Research on goal setting indicates that small actions trigger the release of dopamine, thereby fueling motivation. You tunnel through, one step at a time. Finally, let's explore non-locality. Quantum events influence each other instantly, regardless of distance, suggesting a deeply interconnected universe. You're part of something vast: humanity, nature, the cosmos. Happiness grows when you align with this bigger picture and contribute beyond yourself. Volunteer, create, or advocate for a constructive cause. Small acts, planting a tree, mentoring someone, tie you to the whole. Studies show that altruistic behavior boosts oxytocin, the connection hormone, thereby enhancing overall well-being. You're not a speck in the universe, and you're a vital thread in its fabric. Where does this leave us? Happiness, through a quantum lens, is dynamic, interconnected, and shaped by your choices. You co-create it. Superposition embraces possibility. The observer effect harnesses your focus. Entanglement builds connection. Wave-particle duality fosters resilience. The uncertainty principle frees you from control. Quantum tunneling empowers you to overcome. Non-locality ties you to purpose. This isn't abstract theory, it's a blueprint. Start small. Reflect on possibilities. Practice gratitude. Connect with others. Embrace life's ups and downs, let go of control, take tiny steps, and contribute to the world. These steps revolutionize how you see yourself and your place in the cosmos. I challenge you to dig deeper. Reflect on how these ideas resonate with your life. Share your thoughts in the comments. What quantum principle will you apply today? Like this video if it sparked something in you, and subscribe to join our journey into the mysteries of existence. Together, we unlock the quantum code to a happier, more meaningful life.